I'm ready. Alright, you're ready now. You're ready. Slow. Ready? Go slow, go slow. Keep going. Keep going. Stop, stop. Great, even. Got it on, even.
Jesse's out here with my Project Z06 2002 Corvette Z06. It's on jack stands right now. The reason why we're doing it, we're doing oil change. He's doing oil change. Things you gotta have, oh, this a nice debug. Oil drain pan, oil filter, oil drain plug, 7 quarts of oil. It says 6.5, but from my understanding, car's tilted forward. If you drain it all, it might be 7 quarts. So we're gonna go from there. Also, 15mm socket. Almost forgot. We have a torque wrench. Bring the torque wrench over here. This is so you can torque the drain plug properly. So paper towels, cardboard, so it won't spill all over your driveway. Hopefully not. And we're gonna get to it. Gloves, and we'll see how bad
Safety
it is.
one's on.
Safety goggles.
Because they're gonna go underneath.
Yeah. So what are we gonna do first?
I'm gonna put that underneath the cardboard and out that first.
Yeah, so you're gonna also the drain plug, the drain fan.
Okay, now I'm gonna pinpoint the drain plug.
Do you see it?
Yeah, I can see the big bolt going forward. Yep, I'm gonna put it right here. Yep,
So
I think it's this one. Yep,
put
I
your
think it's
finger
that
on
one.
it so I can get the video. Put your finger on the drain plug.
I think it's this one because that goes forward.
Yeah, that's right.
I think so, yep.
That's it right there. So is that enough room for you? Okay, let's see. All right, we're gonna get to it in a second. And now,
Right. It's the hard part because
Now
the
you
oil's
got
more there. Spill.
this oil's all dirty and stuff too.
Yeah.
This is high enough to see everything.
That's good. That's good.
Actually, I could see the for oil leaks with my eyeballs.
That's good. Luckily, it's high enough. Great. And it tilts it.
That's crazy.
Careful, it's gonna leak. Yep, yep. See you coming up. Could be more
So
than
those are oil. This was leaking, but not the only leak, right? Like Jesse said, but that washer's flat as heck. So that's not gonna hold any oil. I should say prevent the oil from leaking. It was seeping. So, well, let's come out. We'll be back. I'm gonna stop recording. With the long tube, the problem is that it gets in the way with a wrench, but I had this rubber wrench, which is working. I was trying to get 2 spots here to drain that, and it's working, so that's what I use this guy. Lucky I got the cardboard, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of this filter. The good news is that they suggest us to torque it by hand. So once we get this off, the new one, wow, this is stinky too. Once we get this off, we're gonna tighten the other one by hand only. Wow, this is messy. I should use a bag thing, but anyways. Yeah, it's slippery now. Right here. There's the rest of the oil.
More dripping.
A lot of oil. Alright, so we're gonna put a little bit of oil. This is the AC Delco filter. Go ahead and put some oil on it, Jesse. So we're using Mobile One. You can use 5. It's recommended 5W30. So you can also use 10W30 if you want, depending on temperature, but not about half. That's good. That's good.
Oh, I got
So
it.
now I'll do it since my hands are already dirty. Hi.
I'll let you take some and put it on the
So we're just gonna put it
gasket.
here, so we have a seal,
Put it on
This
the
glove's already all nasty.
So I'll use that to put on the gasket.
So yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go under because Jesse's clean. I'm recording. So
Well, at least you're putting it everywhere.
yeah, so now I'm gonna go under.
Be careful.
You could give it to me when I get under.
Okay, Dad.
That way I won't
Let me go
spill
ahead
it
and
and
put the
goes.
cap on the oil now. Don't spill it. Okay, I'm gonna
You hand it to me?
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, it's good we're getting the filter on. That's good. I think we might beat the sun down. Because we're almost done. After that, we're gonna torque it almost and fill up the oil soon.
So this one you're just gonna hand tighten it.
Yeah.
Because this is so hard to get out.
Yeah. Just tighten it up so it doesn't leak. So it doesn't leak. Plug.
So this drain plug is magnetic. This is Dorman. It has a magnetic tip. Not just, it's not the OEM one, but it's OEM size. It has a new gasket on there as well, so that makes it easier. I'm just trying to clean the surface area. A little bit at least. So it's supposed to be about 15, 18 pound torque. I don't know. I'm hoping my torque wrench will get in there. I got a little tiny dude.
Trying it? That's
Which,
sorry.
you want to try it, Jesse?
What?
You want to try it?
Yeah. Okay.
You got the torque wrench.
Yes. It's
See if it fits at the angle.
Plus, you reset it. I can reach.
Can you reach? Does it sit?
Oh yes, it does.
Room? Okay, go ahead and tighten it.
It does.
Okay.
It does have room.
So this is set
At
15 pounds, 15 inch foot pounds, but this is an inch pound. So I set it to 180, converted to 180 inch pounds. Just do it until you hear the click.
Oh, I heard it.
That's it.
Now
Good
take it
enough.
out.
That's it.
Great.
That's all you gotta do.
I just heard it.
All right. So this is buttoned up already. So
At least it's torqued, Dad.
we're good.
That filter.
With the filter and everything.
At least I got that torqued.
And we're good with.
Good.
Well, so we gotta put oil in the car.
Yeah.
Be right back. Jesse.
What do you want to do?
All right, guys. So one thing to remember: some oil fill caps you can just keep on twisting like a screw, but this one, see how it's set? It's set like this way towards us. When we turn it, once it stops, don't force it. That's it. You're just gonna pull it straight up, wiggle it. Actually, I gotta turn it. Then you wiggle it. There you go. Sorry, I didn't want to force it. So you can see right here. It's not a big screw. It's just a twist and that opening. So that's it. And then back down. That's it. All right.
Snug?
All right. So he's gonna. I'm gonna go over here. I'm tired, guys. That's nasty.
Okay, I'm gonna fill this.
All right. Let's fill it up. Next time, yeah, use one of those and then use
The other one.
the big guy.
Yeah.
Watch it. Watch your flow.
I'm watching it.
We don't want to overfill it. Not overfill it. Overflow it because it's not
Great.
very wide.
It's not overflowing. Perfect.
And the other oil is just stinky. I think it's like a lot of fuel from dumping it. Yep.
Just getting all the remaining
We'll get the
oil.
big one. Use the big dude after that.
Okay, I think it's empty. Yep, no more. Yep, I'm
Keep
still
it on
watching.
that flow. Basically, we're dumping the whole thing because it. Oh, see that?
I
The
see
flow
it.
was getting pretty high, Jesse.
I see it. I'm stopping.
So it was like 6.5 quarts, but we had this car tilted downward a little bit, so we'll see what it is on the dipstick. Right now, it's 6 quarts.
I'm still pouring. I'm watching out.
Anyways, we'll be back. Alright, so we went ahead and put 6.5 quarts in that, ran the engine for a little bit because it takes a little bit to circulate. And then we can see here. So I'm cleaning it. Let's get a bit closer. You have your add mark here, which is the bottom, and the max mark, which is the top dot. So you want the oil to hit the dots in between. So let's see. It's settled for a few minutes. Let's cross your fingers. So, and this oil, because it's new oil, it's really hard. It's really hard to tell with new oil. So I think, oh man, I know it's past add because of the bubble. You see that there's oil in the bubble, in the hole, and I think the other one does not. It does not. So we can actually add more if we had to, but the good news is that I'm not under. Yeah, so there's, again, can you see it through the bubble or the full oil in the hole versus not? Thing you want to do too is reset your oil consumption. Is there a light on? Just trying to light. As he hits ignition, trip until you get the oil life remaining. That's 90%. Sorry for the light. And you want to hit reset, which is over here. Reset. Until it goes to 100%. And that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to take this off of jack stands right now. Car's low. Anyways. And we'll have all the links in the description where you can get the stuff. Again, thanks for watching. Peace out. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Appreciate it.